Hey, what's going on, RC drivers? Welcome to the RC Driver 2 channel. I'm Greg, and this is where you're gonna find extra content that's not on my main channel, RC Driver Online. Now, we've got a pretty cool unboxing video for you guys today. It's the new generation of Traxxas cars, and they've made some significant changes to these trucks. And I'm gonna unbox two of them today, the Slash 4x4 and the Rustler 4x4. For the rollout of new vehicles, they're gonna have models that have been changed up, and the major changes, they are moving away from the XL5 and Titan brushed motor system. Now they're going to include a brushless system. It's the BLS2 system, and I'm going to show you it installed in the trucks, but this is an unboxing video. I'm going to unbox the Traxxas Slash. I've got the Rustler 4x4 behind me already unboxed. I'll show it to you later, but it's pretty much the same unboxing. So let's dive into this one. You are going to need a, guess what, 2S LiPo battery to get this going, as well as a charger and 4 AA's. You could actually also run this system on nickel metal hydride pack. So it comes with the TQ radio system, the standard radio that we've seen from Traxxas, basic trim functions. It comes with a lot of their vehicles. And of course the truck's nicely encapsulated in foam so nothing happens to it. And here is the new Slash. There's a bunch of changes that we're gonna go over on this. But first let's dive into this support bag that they give you. It's basically just your instruction manuals. They give you the shock preload clips, and there's a foam battery spacer. So when you swap between different styles of battery packs, you will need the ID plug with this. Another set of preload clips, and then your basic tools. All right, now we get to take a look at this Slash. They've got two different colors for each of their offerings. This is the red version, and they also have a green version as well. Maybe they'll have more. I've seen where they have hobby shop special colors, and maybe they'll have that, but look at this, guys. Very cool new graphics for the truck. If you look close, not sure if you can see it there, there's no body clips on this. So we've been asking these guys to go and get rid of the body clips, and they've been doing it. It's a little slow, but they've been doing it. I guess we gotta give them some time. So you just gotta reach into the fender wells, pop the clips under it, both the front and rear, and the body will come off. That's just a very cool setup. Now here's the Slash 4x4. If you're new to the hobby, your battery pack is gonna go in here. You plug it in, it's got the on-off switch on the speed controller. Make sure you turn your radio on first, but here is that 2S system. It's a nice looking speed controller. Almost looks like a Blackhand Titan motor, but it is brushless, and the wiring on this is pretty tidy. They got a nice connector on that system. Really quick bonus material for you guys. This has the HD setup on it, which are the heavy duty parts. So it's got the heavy duty shock tower, steering knuckles, caster blocks, rear hubs, suspension arms, and the max size drive shafts in this. So that's a really good setup. And I like that they've given us some really big changes in this new generation of trucks. All right, let's set the Slash aside, and then I'll give you guys a quick peek. Look at that, I love that you can just snap that in place now. I'll give you a quick peek of the Rustler 4x4, and at first glance, it looks exactly the same. It's gotta come out of the box just like this Slash did. The only difference inside the packaging is they don't give you a foam battery block, but this truck too has the 2S BLS system in it, single clip in the rear as far as removing the body, but this too has all of the HD parts on it. There's that new 2S BLS system, and this one is just a really fun truck. I love driving the Rustlers. Really excited to go out and drive this. You know what? Let's do a quick speed test. I can't leave you guys hanging. I gotta show you a little bit of action. Let's head out. All right, guys, we'll check out the Rustler first. Got my GNSS in there. We'll hit track, start. We're ready to go. We're just gonna rock a 2S pack because I think that's what everybody wants to see, what type of top speed we get with it. Stop, read, 27 miles an hour. All right, guys, now we'll test out the Slash 4x4 with a 2S pack. Track, start. And this should probably be about the same speed. Looking pretty good. Spin it back around. And let's see what we got. Stop, read. Also 27 miles an hour. I wasn't sure what the tire diameter might be, a little bit different, but yeah, same speed. If you want some more information on the new Traxxas cars or want to see them in action, hit the card above.